Hey Chris, so just going to test this so that we can see the result together. I'm going to click on, I created the account and I'm just going to click on unsubscribe here. And any charges on your account after your cancellation, please contact us, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so let's see what, okay, so I got the email. I think this is your, you mentioned that you're not getting an email, so this is Mike Wagner. Hello, here's a quick note confirming that your membership to the Storage Rebellion University has been cancelled. We hate to see you go, but hope you found value. Our subscription has been terminated and no future charges will be made. So it's working. I mean, I just tested it right now, and I do believe that this is working because it sent me an email almost instantly, actually, which is better than most people have seen. So what I did was, you can test this yourself. I went to the membership. I took the secret sign up URL. I signed up for your system, and then what I did was I canceled it afterwards. Of course, like I said, you can you can correct me if I'm wrong, but you see, I created an account, Akram Hamid. This is my test email. And yeah, I just unsubscribe as well. I've canceled my account. It sent me an email, and yeah, please let me know if that answers your question. Bye for now.